Good day. When we heard coin, the first thing that comes to our mind is cheap value, less worth, but not this coin that we will talk right now. This coin has the same value of nice sports car. This is a Philippine coin, the 1906S, 1 peso Philippine coin. This 1906S Philippine 1 peso coin has a grading of AU58. AU58 means AU58 is the highest whole grade awarded by the major TPGs to circulated coins, with O58 plus bestowed upon, especially nice O58s that are but a light rub away from receiving a technical mint state grade. Based on heritage of coin, the recorded sale price auction record is around $43,200, and if we convert it to Philippine peso, it is around 2 million peso. And for 2 million peso, you can buy a nice and beautiful sports car. By the said value of this coin, it has an equal value of this great sports car, Toyota 86, also known as Scion FRS, Subaru BRZ. Its engine block is hooked onto an optional 6-speed, manual automated transmission system, aiding power displacement, while helping the Toyota 86 return 25/34 mpg city freeway. For the Philippine market, the Toyota 86 is available in 2 variants, namely the 2.0L automatic transmission that has a list price of 2,050,000 peso, and the 2.0L manual transmission that carries a 1,950,000 peso price tag.